You're in the golden years, the house you've shared for decades now quiet, the laughter of children long faded. But as the sun sets on another day, you catch her glance. Not the warm one from your wedding photos, but a flicker of something darker, a resentment simmering beneath the surface like a secret storm. After 60, when life should be peaceful, many women start pulling away from their husbands, harboring grudges that erode the foundation of their marriage. These aren't random, they're hidden truths the world doesn't whisper about. I'm here to drag you down the rabbit hole, to reveal why this happens and how you can mend it before it's too late. Knowledge is your shield, let's arm you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below. Share your story, and let's awaken together. The first reason is the unequal division of housework, a silent killer of affection that creeps in during retirement. You've both worked hard all your lives, but now he's home all day, feet up, while she's still scrubbing, cooking, folding laundry like it's her eternal job. It's not just chores, it's a betrayal of equality. Studies show that when husbands fail to share household tasks, wives feel devalued, their resentment building like unseen dust in the corners. Remember retired husband syndrome? It's real, women experiencing stress, depression, even physical symptoms because their partners treat home like a vacation spot, not a shared space. She resents the laziness, the assumption that her time is less valuable. But here's the truth they don't tell you. This isn't inevitable. Start by sitting down, no distractions, and list every task, from dishes to yard work. Divide them fairly, not based on old gender roles, but on energy and preference. If vacuuming drains him, swap it for grocery runs. Use a shared calendar app to track who does what. Turn it into a team effort. Praise each other. A simple thank you reignites that spark. If he's resistant, share articles on how equal partnerships lead to happier, longer marriages. You're not nagging, you're reclaiming balance. Do this, and watch resentment melt into respect. Are you seeing it yet? This is just the beginning. The second reason is too much time together, turning your home into a pressure cooker of irritation. Retirement sounds idyllic, endless days side by side, but suddenly he's underfoot, critiquing her routines, invading her space like an uninvited guest. Women often feel smothered, their independence stripped away as husbands demand attention or complain endlessly. It's called the underfoot syndrome, where constant proximity highlights annoying habits you once ignored. Research from marriage experts reveals that couples spending every waking hour together report 40% higher conflict rates post-retirement. She resents the loss of her own rhythm, the way he disrupts her peace without realizing it. The secret is creating space, not distance. Designate me-time zones. Maybe she gardens alone in the morning, he tinkers in the garage afternoons. Plan separate hobbies. Join a book club for her, a golf group for him. But don't forget shared adventures, weekly date nights, a class together in cooking or dancing. Communicate openly. I love you, but I need an hour alone to recharge. If depression lurks in him, encourage volunteering or therapy. It gives purpose, eases the burden on her. This isn't rejection, it's breathing room that strengthens your bond. Implement it now, and transform resentment into renewed affection. Keep going. There's more to uncover. The third reason is financial disagreements, a hidden minefield that explodes in retirement. As savings dwindle and fixed incomes kick in, arguments over money intensify. Who spends what, on what? Women often resent husbands for poor planning, risky investments, or financial infidelity like hidden debts. Near retirement, these clashes become harder to ignore, with studies showing money as a top trigger for gray divorce. She feels insecure, betrayed if he squandered their nest egg on gadgets while she scrimped. The truth is, societal shifts give women more independence, making them less tolerant of imbalance. To fix it, seek transparency. hold monthly money meetings, review budgets together using free apps like Mint. Consult a financial advisor to align goals, maybe downsize the house or adjust spending. If trust is broken, rebuild with joint accounts for shared expenses, separate for personal fun. Educate yourselves on retirement planning. Books like The Total Money Makeover can guide you. Remember, it's not about control, it's partnership. Apologize for past mistakes, focus on future security. This mends the rift, turning resentment into shared strength. You're halfway there. Let's dive deeper. The fourth reason is growing apart, where priorities shift and connections fray. After 60, life changes, kids gone, careers over, and suddenly you're strangers under one roof. Empty nest syndrome hits hard. Without parenting glue, she resents the emotional void, the lack of shared dreams. Interests evolve. She wants travel, he prefers TV. Research indicates 50% of older couples cite drifting apart as a divorce factor. She feels unfulfilled, like the marriage no longer sparks joy. The hidden force? Changing expectations. Modern women seek happiness, not endurance. To mend it, reconnect intentionally. Schedule weekly check-ins. Ask, what makes you happy now? Rediscover each other through new activities. Volunteer together, take a road trip. Couples therapy isn't weakness, it's a tool to unearth buried feelings. Revive romance, notes, touches, memories shared over wine. If health allows, pursue joint goals like a garden or classes. This awakens awareness, you're evolving together, not apart. Resentment fades when you grow as a team. One more truth awaits. The fifth reason is health problems straining the bond, turning love into burden. Chronic illnesses after 60, his heart issues, her arthritis, shift dynamics, with caregiving breeding resentment. Studies show higher divorce risk if the wife falls ill, but resentment builds either way. She resents his dependency, or he her limitations. It's the unspoken fatigue, the loss of equality. Societal changes mean less stigma in leaving, but you can fight it. The secret: prepare together. Discuss health directives early. Join support groups for caregivers. Share the load. Hire help for tasks. Use tech like medication reminders. Prioritize self-care. Exercise walks hand in hand, healthy meals as dates. Therapy helps process emotions. Don't bottle resentment. Celebrate small wins, like a pain-free day. This transforms challenge into closeness, resentment into deeper love. You've got the tools now, act on them. These 5 reasons: housework imbalance, too much togetherness, financial fights, growing apart, health strains, are the shadows threatening your marriage after 60. But you're not doomed, you're empowered. Start one conversation today, implement one fix, and watch your bond renew. Share in the comments. Which reason hits home? Subscribe, like, comment. Let's keep revealing these truths together.